Guys, customer support gets out of hand faster than you'd think. It starts with a few emails, and suddenly you're drowning in chats, tickets, follow-ups, and reports spread across 5 different tools. And then someone from management drops the classic line, "Just add AI to it." You know what that usually looks like. You put a chatbot on top of a system that was already struggling, slap a label on it, and call it done. Looks fresh for about a week. But behind the scenes, nothing actually changed. Still scattered, slow, and reactive. And that's exactly the gap SparrowDesk was designed to fill. I am Daniel, and today we are going to see if SparrowDesk actually does things differently. Rather than adding AI on top of support as an afterthought, it builds that intelligence straight into how the whole workflow operates from the beginning. So let's walk through what that actually looks like when you're using it day to day. Guys, make sure you check out all the useful links in the description after watching this video. There might be some nice discounts there. Alright, let's start. My friends, SparrowDesk is a full support operating system that lives inside one platform. Help Center, Customer Portal, Shared Inbox, Automation, and Reporting, all connected from the start. No jumping between tabs, no copy-pasting between tools. At the core of it sits Zoona AI. And before you picture another chat bubble floating in the corner of a web page, this is different. Zoona isn't attached to the outside of the system. It's built into it, working under the same rules and structure as the rest of the support operation. One environment, everything talking to everything else, nothing falling through the cracks. Guys, let's walk through what happens from the moment a customer reaches out. A message comes in through chat or email and lands straight into the shared inbox. Zoona picks it up immediately and works out what the person is actually asking for. Folks, if it's something routine, like an order update or a standard policy question, Zoona handles it right there. It pulls answers from your internal documents, Help Center content, your live website, and even past support conversations. Because it's trained on your actual company knowledge, the responses stay consistent and on-brand. What that means practically is your agents stop spending half their day answering the same questions on repeat. Up to 60% of those repetitive requests get resolved automatically. And that time goes back to the conversations that actually need a human behind them. But it doesn't stop there. Now, if you enable Zoona, the system can automatically respond to customer requests without any human involvement. Now, mates, when something more complex comes in, Zoona doesn't push through and guess. It passes the conversation to a human agent, and the entire chat history comes along with it. The agent opens it and already knows everything. The customer doesn't have to repeat themselves. From their side, it just feels like one continuous conversation. Guys, before we move on, I try to make my content fun instead of boring. And in return, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy the content I make. Folks, it's also worth talking about how Zoona actually sounds. You set up its name, give it an avatar, and define the tone you want it to carry. More formal, more conversational, somewhere in between, that's your call. Managing more than one brand, you create a separate persona for each, so the voice always matches. Training it is straightforward. You upload your internal guides and documents, connect your website so it stays current, and you can even feed it real past support conversations, so it picks up on how your team actually resolves things. Before going live, you test it, my friends. Run through scenarios, adjust whatever needs adjusting, and when you're ready, you switch it on across chat and email. From that moment, it's handling requests inside the shared inbox automatically. Over time, it gets sharper. The platform flags responses that didn't land well, shows you where your knowledge base has gaps, and surfaces issues that keep coming back unresolved. Your dashboards show resolution rates, how much ticket volume has dropped, and how the team is performing overall. At that point, support stops being something you constantly react to and becomes something you actively run and improve. So guys, here's the takeaway. SparrowDesk isn't a regular help desk with AI sprinkled on top. It's built as a proper operating system for support, where the intelligence is part of the structure from day one. Zoona handles the repetitive volume, your team focuses on what actually needs them, and the whole thing runs as one connected workflow. For companies that are growing, SparrowDesk runs a startup program. You can avail an enterprise plan, everything unlocked, at up to 90% off for your first year, with exclusive startup discounts for the next 2. If you are building out your support and want something structured rather than patched together, this one is worth a serious look. As usual, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, until next time.